Good morning, kindergartners. This is Miss Hoppy, and we are going to learn how to save a file in a Word document. We've been working on our typing skills, and you can see that Miss Hoppy is done typing because there's the black flashing line. Now, in the picture, Miss Hoppy's cursor is going to come into the picture. Remember, a cursor is like a finger for the computer, and my cursor is an arrow. And before we get started, I want you to move the cursor back and forth 2 times. So 1, 2. Now you're going to take your cursor and go to the top by the blue tab, and that's the word file, and file starts with a capital F. And capital F has a hat and arms. You're going to go up there and click on it. Now remember, sometimes the computer takes a long time to think, so make sure you're not just clicking. Here you can see lots of words. And all I want you to worry about is the word save, the 2 words save as. And that is the second one down. And remember, second is a fancy word for number 2. So let's count. 1, 2. And there's the 2 words save as. You're going to click on that. And you can see my computer's thinking. So give it a second. Then, when this pops up, you're going to have a box where there's a blue in there. And what I want you to do is type your first initial and your last initial. And my first initial is M, my last initial is H. When you get done with that, you're going to take your cursor and move it down to the word save. And save starts with a capital S. So you're going to click on that. And that's how you save a Word document. Next week, we're going to learn how to find that Word document, open it up, and add a new picture to it into our document. Great job, kindergarten.